In front of me is VIVO Y28 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme. It has to be from Mad Scientist. When your app is ready, launch it. Mute the music by clicking at the bottom left corner and hit consent to continue. Then choose top left corner. Adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. Click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Select Set as Live Wallpaper, yes. Hit apply and decide where. When you're ready, just close your app. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!